Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to turn off Opera GX sounds in 2025. So this will include the turning off the keyboard clicks, background music, and the browser sound effects. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Opera GX web browser. It should look something like this. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of settings. Once you are inside the settings of Opera GX, you need to basically search for the browser sounds. Most probably here on the home page in the GX basics, you will find the option of browser sounds, but you can also use the search bar here in the top and search for it. So if you click on the browse sound, you will be landed here on this page. So these are basically the sound effects that you hear when typing, clicking, or browsing. So in order to turn them off, you need to simply just click on the toggle button right next to it. Like if you want to turn off the tab open, simply turn off the toggle button right next to it. Similarly, you can just simply turn off the toggle button, and after that you have successfully turned off the sounds. You can reset the settings to default anytime if you change your mind. You can also select whether you want to make it GX Nabris or GX Classic. After that, you can use this toggle button right next to it as well. With the help of this slider, you can increase or decrease the frequency of the sound or the volume of the sound. So with the help of these methods, you can definitely remove the sound or turn off the sounds in your Opera GX in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more GX tips, and comment below if you want me to create a full theme customization video next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.